Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put up mid-length hair. First, ensure your hair is clean and either completely dry or just slightly damp. This provides the ideal foundation for styling. Next, gently detangle your hair from ends to roots using a wide-tooth comb, removing any knots. Finally, apply a small amount of a light styling product, like a texturizing spray, evenly throughout your hair to give it some grip and hold. Now, let's create the foundation for our updo. Gather all of your mid-length hair into a neat ponytail. You can choose a high placement for a more playful look or a mid-level position for classic elegance. Once you have your desired height, secure the ponytail tightly with a durable elastic band. Double-check for any stray hairs around your face or neck, smoothing them into the ponytail. With your ponytail in place, it's time to form the bun. Begin by twisting the entire ponytail tightly, starting from the base and working your way down to the very ends. Once twisted, carefully coil this section of hair around the elastic band at the base of your ponytail. Continue wrapping until a neat bun shape is formed, then tuck any remaining ends securely underneath the bun itself. To ensure your elegant bun stays perfectly in place, use 4 to 6 bobby pins. Insert them around the base of the bun, pushing them into the underlying hair for maximum hold. For a softer, more relaxed aesthetic, gently pull out a few thin strands of hair around your face. Finally, mist your entire updo with a strong hold hairspray, ensuring it remains flawless for many hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.